How to change Square payment method. So, log into your Square account using the Square app or website. Ensure you have administrative access to manage payment methods. Navigate to the Account Settings or Payments section. Look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Click on that option to view your current payment methods. Select the payment method you want to change or update. Look for an option to edit or update the payment method details. Enter the new payment method information, such as bank account or card details. Double-check the entered information for accuracy. Save the changes once you've updated the payment method details. If necessary, verify the new payment method through any authentication steps required. Ensure the updated payment method is set as the default for future transactions. Your Square payment method has now been successfully changed to the new one you provided. That's it. Thanks for watching.